Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to teach you how to make one of the most delicious and hearty meals, beef stroganoff. This classic Russian dish has been enjoyed all over the world for over a century, and today we are going to show you how to make it from scratch. So let's get started. Ingredients. To make beef stroganoff, you will need 1.5 pounds of beef tenderloin or sirloin, thinly sliced, 1 onion, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 cup of beef broth, 1 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, salt and pepper to taste, 1 pound of egg noodles, fresh parsley, chopped. Step 1. Prep the beef. Start by slicing the beef into thin strips, about 1/4 inch wide. Then, season the beef with salt and pepper to taste. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat, and add the beef strips in batches, cooking each batch for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until browned. Transfer the browned beef to a plate and set aside. Step 2. Cook the onion and garlic. In the same skillet, add another tablespoon of olive oil and the butter. Once melted, add the chopped onion and sauté for about 3 to 4 minutes until translucent. Then, add the minced garlic and sauté for another minute. Step 3. Make the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to the skillet and stir well to combine. Cook for about 1 minute until the flour is lightly browned. Then, slowly pour in the beef broth, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Add the tomato paste and Dijon mustard, and stir well to combine. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for about 5 minutes until the sauce thickens. Step 4. Combine the beef and sauce. Add the browned beef to the skillet with the sauce and stir well to coat the beef. Simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes until the beef is cooked through and the sauce is thickened further. Turn off the heat and stir in the sour cream. Step 5. Cook the noodles. While the beef stroganoff is simmering, cook the egg noodles in a large pot of boiling salted water according to the package instructions. Drain the noodles and toss with a bit of olive oil to prevent them from sticking together. Step 6. Serve. Serve the beef stroganoff over a bed of egg noodles, garnished with chopped parsley if desired. Enjoy! And there you have it, a delicious and hearty beef stroganoff that will warm your soul and satisfy your hunger. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning how to make this classic dish. If you tried this recipe at home, let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.